Hey, this is Paige from Mosaic Moments, and I am going to show 3 different ways you can use the oval frame dies on your pages. Here, I am using the 3x5 oval frame die to cut my pattern paper. This will be the main part of the frame. So all of the frame dies have a ring that goes around the oval shape, and this will be used as an outline for your centerpiece. And what I like to do is use a brighter piece of paper to make it pop. The ring part wasn't popping out, so I grabbed my sharp tweezers, and here it is, the outline. The last piece I need to complete my frame is the photo, of course. So what I do is I place my die on top, and just to see where it's gonna crop, and when I'm happy with the placement, I roll it through the machine. So now that each piece is cut, I'm going to place them all on my grid paper. First, I'm going to put on the main piece, and that's pretty easy. I just put glue in each corner and then line it up on the grid. The next piece to glue on is the outline. Carefully glue it since it's very thin, and place it right in the center. And last is the photo, which is really easy. I just glue and place it right on there, and you're finished. Now I'm just going to run through a second oval frame so my page can be completed. And you'll see it's really easy to put these oval frames together. And here are my 2 oval frames. Now I'm going to finish my page with the 4x5 oval frame die. So it's a little wider than the previous one. And I'm going to do the same process over again. So right now I am cutting the main part of the frame with my pattern paper. So one option you can do with the frame is just have this base piece. So right now I'm just gluing it down in each corner. So I haven't cropped my photo yet, and I haven't done it because to fill in this space, it would end up, losing a piece of the photo with that outline cut. So an easy thing to do is just put the photo behind your frame and then using a pair of scissors to cut off the edges. Pretty easy way to trim it, right? Now it's all set to be put on the grid, so I just glue it on the back and line it up. And this is one design, this is one way you can use the oval frame. It's just the oval frame and the photo. Pretty simple. I actually would be happy leaving it this way, but I'm gonna actually add more. So you can also, with the same die, you can cut an outline piece and outline the edge of your photo to make it pop a little more. So this is a second way or design you can do with the oval frame. Is just the frame and the outline piece together, and it looks really nice, and the outline really pops against there. But if you want to add even a little more pizzazz, you can embellish it. Here I got these petal dies are actually from the 4x6 oval frame die set, and I wanted to use them here, and they look really lovely. I like lining up little embellishments along the outline. It has a nice clean look because you know where to place the pieces, and I'm just adjusting them to the way I like, and it's all done. So here is the completed layout, and it looks so good with the oval frames. I really like how it turned out. Thanks for watching, and see more on mosaicmoments.com.